Hello everybody, and today we're going to be playing Minecraft. I almost missed it, and yes I did. Okay, we're going in very quick. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. And okay, yes, that's happened to me before. And yeah, oh, so we're gonna use this secret character, the killer type of a spy. Of course. Okay. Starting map. Seed, please. Spooky mansion. Tegia village. Tegia Bay, London Wood. Stronghold. Snowy village. Snowy village. Immediate respawns. So cheats are off. Wait, so cheats are off. What? So we're gonna recreate it. Turn off. So the cheats are off. And why is it not saying I can get pitch? So, yes, yeah, but what did I do? Okay, never mind. Okay. Activate. So they're both on it, saving old resource packs. No type. Oh, why did I do this? Okay. I'll search creepers. I need a ocelot. Or a dog. Holy crap. Wait. Did I? And if I find a Tegia village, really I'm gonna have it. Okay, it's gonna take a while to get up. Okay. Oh, what? So they're in. No. No. Spawn? There's no such thing as. No. You gotta be kidding me. 1 diamond block. I mean, shoot, there's no such thing as spawn eggs. In this thing. Oh, whatever. I feel weird in this game. I feel really tall when I look down. So that's the weird thing about it. 2 spruce wood for the win. Oh, some sticks, please. Oh, this, and I just got. So when I get some more wood. And I don't know if I'm going to be able. Perfect, a cave that could have iron in it. one. No. I'm gonna cheat. There are two different types of caves. So I've been playing sometimes and oh shit point. I need the coal. So it gives you experience, but I'm gonna need cobblestone to make a stone. So there's probably iron in this cave. I have 2 and I'm oh never mind. Okay. We need a diamond pickaxe. Well, yes, we do need a diamond pickaxe. We'll grab some more stone on the way so I can make a furnace. We do have coal. And so they're like multiple caves. Okay, I can't see. So if I didn't change to peaceful, I would have been dead by now. Because they're like multiple caves in one. There could be a cave spider somewhere. I'll just grab some coal to give my brother. I'm kidding. In the next video, I'm gonna prank him so bad. Or he's gonna yell at me. Really, I don't want him to yell at me. But I really am gonna prank him so bad. In the next video, I might not do it. I might forget to. But I've about 10 pieces. So I still need like about 6 more pieces of stone. I might as well just grab some more stones and to get resources. Okay. So, getting a lot of stone right now. I'm gonna mine it for the rest of my life. Whoa, it's so scaring me. The glitch is scaring me. Like when I mine, this glitch. That's scaring me. Like even if I do it on one night, sometimes it'll do that. But now I don't know where am I. Wait. Whoa! Wait. There could be some iron in this big. There could be some iron on this because it has a lot of stone. Like more stone, maybe more stone than dirt. Might as well just. At least I'm in the daylight. Don't have to be in a cave when I'm into stuff. That'll scare me. But seriously, I'm in survival, and look how many resources I have. What am I saying? We still have no. Thank you. No, thank you. I need this coal, so if I find iron and I get enough wood, I can. Okay. What did I think I have enough to make like a small boat. Okay, so I'm just gonna get one thing just to make a craft. I can make 3 different furnaces. So, yeah. Put it right here. No, not just 3 different types. Yes, 3 different types. 1, 2, 2, and 3. 3 furnaces for the win. So, now, I'm going on a trip to find iron. So, I might as well just place cobblestone on this tree so I know it's the tree I was playing on. So I don't get lost like I already did. Did I have a furnace over there? No, I didn't. Yes? Okay. Okay, so there's definitely gonna be iron. Like, there's already a lot of coal I found. I mean, if there's no iron, I'm gonna be mad. I don't want to go down there. I don't want to get trapped down. But if I got one in here on normal, I would have been dead by zombies by now. So, like, not the zombies that'll scare you, but like actually zombies. What's that? A flying block that just generated? It's flying stone. Or did this like thing get blown up? Okay, there's a bunch of... I'm gonna mine all this coal. Okay, remember, I'm in the dark. So, don't watch. So, I'm gonna dig that. I haven't found one piece of iron yet. I hope there's some over here. Just give me iron. Okay, this whole mountain might have just traded. Okay, so this mountain is a trader. Oh, it's turning to nighttime. As you can see, it's turning to nighttime. So, yeah. Oh, wait. There might be some iron over here. What's this? Iron. Nah. What is the iron? Cobblestone, which iron could be in. So if I'm... What? Wait. This llama. I'm just gonna get some more stone to build a furnace because again I lost my crafting table and furnace. Okay, now I need wood. Well, this I need a crafting table, and I don't even have an axe, which is the... Wait a second. Oh no. No. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be here for the rest of the night. But, you know what? Wait. Okay. I forgot. But I'm going to trick people. Logan? Logan! So I'm gonna trick him across then. Oh. Cake, please. Try to kill. Beetroot, a baked potato. You know what? Oh yeah, finally. Wait, do I have the mod on? Tight. Okay, that's it. These are all the different times. Boom. I can see that. You know what? Just for you guys. Take that out. And take this thing. Watch this. So this thing. Wait, so if I find iron over here, I'm gonna be mad because okay, so yeah, I haven't seen iron yet, but this cave looks trusting. That it'll have iron in it. Okay, I didn't trust. I shouldn't have trust. Watch this. Oh. Ah! Yes. So I'm about need to do 2 blocks up, so I was 4 blocks down. Okay, that went high. Okay, I feel like it's daytime now. Let's build a house.